I'm Ernie Gurney, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example on how to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
Mrs. Laura brought 39 books to the class. She asked the students to take 5 books each. There were 7 students in the classroom. How many books did Mrs. Laura have left? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? We know that Mrs. Laura brought 39 books to the class. She asked the students to take 5 books each. So how many books did each student take? Right, each of them took 5 books. Do we know how many students were there in the classroom? Yes, we do. The question tells us there were 7 students in the classroom. How many books did Mrs. Laura have left? The question asks to find the remaining number of books after each student took 5 books each. All right, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Mrs. Laura brought 39 books to the class. Let's use a rectangle to represent the total number of books brought into the class by Mrs. Laura and label it 39. She asked the students to take 5 books each. There were 7 students in the classroom. Let's divide the rectangle into 2 portions. The first portion represents the total number of books the students took. The other portion represents the number of books left afterwards. Let's divide the first portion into 7 equal parts because there were 7 students. Each part represents the number of books each student took. Let's label each part as 5 books. Can you see that the total number of books the students took is equal to 7 times 5? 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. 7 students took 35 books altogether. Do you get it? Great! Let's move on to the next part. The total number of books the students took equals 35. Since there were 39 books at first, the number of books left is equal to 39 minus 35 equals 4. Hence, Miss Laura has 4 books left. Let's work backwards to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, we know that Mrs. Laura has 4 books left. From the question, we know that she brought 39 books to the class. The number of books taken by the students is thus equal to 39 minus 4 equals 35. Since each pupil took 5 books. So, the number of students equals 35 divided by 5 equals 7. There were 7 students in the classroom. This is consistent with the value given in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.